Okay, type in savemoney.lifeinfoapp.com and click on download now, and make sure that that box is checked and click open again, and now it's going to open up the app install. Click download. Mine was already downloaded, and after it's done downloading, we are going to click open. And in this field, we're going to go ahead and set up and register through the Life Info app. So click Allow, click Create Account, type in your username, your first name, last name, email, password, re-enter your password, click your country, your language, and create account. And then it's going to take you to a login screen, and go ahead and type in that username that you created. Click login, proceed, and now it's going to allow you to play this video here that's going to give you a little training tutorial so you know how to onboard the C4 app now that you've installed the Life Info app. After you finish watching that, you click on Open Payment App C4, and now you're in the account setup. You put in your first name, last name, your email, and then make sure that that box is checked, and then click Create Account. Now you've created your account and you are ready to download the C4 app in Google Play or the App Store for Apple. So whichever device that you have, click Install or Get. So here's the thing that you need to take special note to. You need to click Forgot Pass, enter your username, and click Next. And what it's going to do, it's going to email you a 6-digit verification code. Enter that verification code. And then it's going to give you the opportunity to put in another password, a new password. It needs to be a minimum of 8 characters, 1 capital letter, 1 number, and 1 special character. Click Next, and then enable thumbprint or your facial ID. And so now you've downloaded the complete Life Info app and the C4 app, and you are ready to look and see what retailers are inside the C4 app. So after you log in to the C4 app, now you see, based off of your location, all the stores and the distance that you are from those stores, and all the discounts, the savings that you get at these retail stores. And this is pretty exciting, but there's still a little bit of setup left to do. So if you see the hashes on the left and the gear on the right, we need to go into each one of those and set them up individually. So if we click on the gear on the right, you see that we still have a little bit of level of security that we need to complete there. So especially the PIN, putting in a 4-digit PIN, and then go over to your hashes. Be sure to load your credit card or your debit card. And when you load those cards, there's going to be another level of verification to make sure that it's still you loading, because we want to make sure and protect this information that you're loading. And after that verification, you're ready to shop and save with the C4 app. Enjoy your savings.